Guys, this is how you would make a duplicate key for a Prius V. This is a 2012 Prius V, and I have the spare key ready over here. I bought from Amazon, link on the description. And I have the original working key, which is this one. And now I have my scanner that I hooked up. I just hooked it up, so you're gonna go through the steps with me. If you want the scanner, it's in the link in the description. All right, so when you get to the main menu, it'll ask you to go quick scan. So we're just gonna pull up everything here. All right, so then we're gonna go to the key, smart key menu right here. And then we're going special functions. So smart key registration, classic. And then we go, I am just registering keys. All right. With the register. Oh, with the key to be registered. That's what I did wrong. So you gotta put this new key. And then I go register. All right, hit next. Cancel. And we're done. So just to test this key, let's power it off. There you go. I could open and unlock the car. Now for the ultimate test, I put the original key back in the house and I only have the duplicate key that we just made. So step on the brake, start the engine, and yeah, lets me drive it. Moving back, you can see back to park, turn it off, and we're good. That's how you make a spare key for your 2012 Prius V and up. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.